This was sent to me to give you guys a good look, and I have spent the last couple days trying it out in a multitude of ways. You're catching us right before we eat our meatloaf and potatoes that I just cooked in here. Now, not only did I cook them in these dishes, but I get to use some of the rest of the set, i.e. this really great tray slash griddle slash big pan for the oven as a serving platter even. So I just love so many things about this set. Now let me show you each one individually, but I'm gonna show you this one first because they're all the same in that they are aluminum, but a ceramic coated aluminum. So this is the main dish baker. This one is nice and deep. Look at the bottom of these. Look how stunning it is, but it has this surface on the bottom that helps to give you that very even heat whenever you're baking in these things. They are non-toxic, which is super important to me, but still with a really, really great non-stick coating to them. So every one of the baking dishes is exactly as you see here. The tray, so let me move these ones out of the way, make sure they're not still piping hot. The tray actually comes with this silicone mat. The silicone mat is also non-toxic, so I'm able to keep this in here if I want to make cookies or whatever that might be. But honestly, I'm going to insert some footage here of me making pancakes. This was my first attempt at using it as a griddle on my stovetop, and it was so perfect that I didn't even have to add an oil. It was non-stick right there on the griddle. So easy for that. But I also used this same tray to make a focaccia last night. So I'm big into sourdough right now, and it was the perfect height for making focaccia. So there are so many uses for these. Now the mat itself, the silicone mat, you can throw in the dishwasher to clean it, but it's so easy to clean. I really can't see ever wanting to do that. So I have hand washed everything so far. The handles on this big tray are actually not heat resistant, so they do get quite hot. You do have to remember that. But one thing I really wanted to point out about the bakers was something that made me so happy. So if you know anybody that has any issues with hand strength or wrists, this is this light. So for as big of a dish as it is, because it's made of that aluminum, it is so nice for me to have like a solid cooking pan, but it's not something that's so heavy that I'm having trouble getting it out of the oven with just one hand usually. So definitely love that about it too. So just another super high quality, well-made set from our place. By far my favorite for the kitchen. I have their things everywhere, and I love that. Just like everything else, not only can I customize the color, so most of what I have from our place is that color, they have just a great way even storing them. They've thought through that so that everything fits onto that tray. So I love it. Can't give it a better review.